Hi, this is Mark. I'm Eva. We're here in beautiful Tahiti in Papeete, and we have just checked into the InterContinental Hotel. Here's the bathroom. Okay, nice and open and spacious. That's me, that's Mark. There's the shower. Okay, and we're checking in at night, so we can't show you the beautiful view outside of our window. We'll see that tomorrow. Okay, wonderful king-size bed, very pretty ornamentation. Okay, and that same ornamentation runs throughout, and we've got the floral tropical print for the chairs. Here you see our stuff, but also the ornamentation. And wow, two big closets. You could really move in here and stay a while. Okay, and then outside here, and looking out the lights. I believe that's the pool over there. We'll see it tomorrow. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over Tahiti, the rest of the South Pacific. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at the ceiling. Very nice. And the rest of the world. Stay in wonderful hotels, go on tremendous tours, meet wonderful new people, explore new cultures. That's what traveling is all about. So call us, Mark and Eva, and this experience in this wonderful hotel will be yours. Enjoy.